everybody. Alright guys, I'm trying a new product today. See, I got my hair all wet and now I'm gonna put some mask and some shampoo in my hair. But what kind of shampoo are we wondering about, huh? Well, I got it here for you. No orange hair shampoo. So excited. This stuff is cool. Extra blue pigment. So guys, you know what that means? My hair is going blue. JK, that did not happen. Oh snap. Oh snap diggity. Let's put all this stuff in my hair now. My hair is now brushed. Banana. I am wearing a shirt that is able to get grubby and I am going to put all of this fantastic shampoo in my hair and let it sit for like 1 to 5 minutes. This does not stain the scalp, guys. I'm gonna actually get all of my hair in this. Boy. Look at that. I'm so excited for this stuff. So what this stuff is gonna do is it's gonna make my hair more ashy, which is actually really fun. I'm excited for it. Lather. Ow, in my eye. Let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. Starting now. Check out my hand. I turned into Veruca Salt. I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die. Time to wash out my hair. Ouch, I just hit my head. Oh, it smells good though. It's blue. I'm doing the mask now. No orange mask. Look at that. Mask. I'm gonna do a lot of this stuff in my hair. Fanola. It has good points for smelling really good and it feels really good in your hair. It needs to be in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes. I can feel it, my hair soaking it in. It's so weird. Look at that, look what it's doing. Mix it around for like forever. Instead of being caught red-handed, it's blue-handed. All right, it's been more than 5 minutes and now I'm gonna wash out this stuff. That stuff made my hair so soft, I love it. Bond connector. And I am gonna apply it to my hair. Ah, this stuff is really good. I love this stuff. I do not use a lot of this stuff. I use about that much just to put in my hair because this stuff does its work and it works really well. All right, and I'll let that sit in there for about 5 minutes. Oh yeah. And with this stuff, you can put your hair in saran wrap and it makes it stay better and it'll work a lot better, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't have saran wrap. Alright guys, so I'm looking and it is a little ashier and I like that. It makes me feel a lot better knowing that my hair's not gonna go so dramatically blue, but it's still gonna look really good and I love that about this. Okay, bonus for you guys, if you enter Jessica's workshop at the Fanola Hair Care, I'll have a link in the description below, you will get a 10% off discount for your products in this area with like the no yellow or no orange shampoos and stuff, just not dyes. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe and stay tuned every Saturday now because we're not doing Mondays anymore. Yep.